So my problem was I have this fairly large rack here, and I have this other rack, which is my drums and beat rack, and I wanted to connect the two to anywhere I wanted. But I used to have these long cables, like going from one to the other. I ended up with like four, six, maybe even up to eight of them. But the company ADDAC sells a Eurorack bridge, and what this is, it comes in pairs. It comes with one of these, which is 8 connections via a ribbon cable over here to an identical unit right here, and connects in here to a corresponding 8 connections. Now what this also has is they have another module that is related, which adds an additional 8 connections. Now it can have 2 of these, so it can have, right now I have 16 connections from this rack to the other rack, and it can have up to 24 because the cable has enough wires. And what I have is, like, here's my output mixer of my beats, and right and left is going to this, I call it a satellite module. They don't call it that, but I do. And it is going through the cable to the back of this, and the back of this has a cable that is able to reach down here closer to my other mixer, or to my VCAs. And here are the 2 outputs from my beat rack into my VCAs or mixer. And so far I have not noticed any hum at all, any hum or hiss, even though this is a power cable. But it is 90 degrees, so that's good. But I just haven't noticed any hiss yet. I mean, I have to fill these up. I will try and just get lots of signals going back and forth, whether it's clocks, CVs, pitch, etc., and see if everything works out okay. But so far, everything's working out great. And there it is.